You can't use this feature right now, Facebook login. So if you are trying to log in into your Facebook account, but you are having problem which says you can't use this feature right now while trying to log in. So in this video, I'll show you step by step 3 methods on how to fix this problem. So the first method to fix this problem, all you have to do now, go back and open up now your Play Store or App Store, or update your Facebook app. So after you update your Facebook app, all you have to do now, before you open the Facebook, now go back and restart your mobile phone. Before you open the Facebook, after you update it, restart your mobile phone. After you restart the mobile phone, now come back and tap on the Facebook and try to log in again. But if you try this method and still it's not working for you, now try the second method. So the second method to fix this problem, all you have to do now, just tap now long press your hand on the Facebook app like this now. After you long press your hand, tap on this app info button. So after you tap on this app info button, now scroll all the way to down and tap on this which says go to this app cache and storage. This one, app cache and storage. So after you tap on the app cache and storage, now go back and now clear the storage of the app. Now tap on this clear storage and clear cache. After you clear the storage and cache of the application, now go back and open the Facebook app and try to log in again. But if you try this method and still it's not working for you, now you have two options. The first option is now you should not go ahead now and change the internet connection that you are using. Maybe the internet connection that you are using is the problem. Now if you are using mobile data, change it to another line. Or if you are using Wi-Fi, change it to another Wi-Fi. Or if you are using Wi-Fi, change it to your mobile data to test it which one will work for you. But if you try this method and still it's not working for you, now I will advise you to use another mobile phone to log in, because sometimes if Facebook plug your account, it may plug your device as well. If Facebook plug your mobile phone, you cannot use it to log in into your mobile phone into your Facebook account. You should be able to get another phone before you can be able to use it. But if you try all this method and still you're having problem, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to help you with a solution. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.